Basic Double 12 Dominoes, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to score 100 or more points. Place all the dominoes face down on the table and mix them up. Each player draws 7 dominoes from the pile to create their hand by placing the dominoes on their sides or on a rack, making sure the domino values are hidden from their opponents. The remaining dominoes are kept face down to the side and are used as a draw pile and are called the boneyard. The player with the highest double domino, that is, the domino with the same number of pips on both ends, starts off the round by placing that domino in the middle of the table. If no player has a double domino, then all the dominoes are returned face down to the boneyard and reshuffled, and the process of drawing hands and starting off with a double domino is repeated. Once the first domino has been played, play then continues clockwise. The next player has to match one of their dominoes to one side of the starting double domino so that they are perpendicular. If no match can be made, the player must draw a domino from the boneyard until a match can be made. Subsequent players continue matching off either an open perpendicular side of the starting domino or the open end of a domino line. If a player is unable to match a tile, they must draw from the boneyard until a match can be made. Only one domino may be played per turn. If a double domino is played, it is placed perpendicular to the matching domino end. You are only allowed to play off of 2 sides of any domino. You may play a domino at a right angle, creating an L if you need more space on the table. When a player plays all their dominoes, the round ends and they are the winner of the round. Or, if no player has a playable domino and the boneyard is empty, then the round ends and the player with the lowest combined number of pips on all the remaining dominoes in their hand is the winner of the round. The winner of the round scores points equal to the combined sum of all the pips in all the other players' hands. If the round's winner still had dominoes left in their hand, then subtract all of their pips from their score. Gather up all the dominoes and play another hand. The first player to score 100 or more points wins the game. For quicker games, play to 50 points instead.